In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to re-sign a document using Docusign in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the platform or need a quick refresher, this guide will help simplify the process. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is the leading platform in electronic signature management, renowned for its ease of use and robust features. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Login button. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will take you to the login portal where you can enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard where all your documents and tools are readily accessible. Now, to proceed with re-signing, find the Agreements tab. This section holds a record of all documents awaiting your action or completion. Click on Agreements to enter this section. Once inside, you'll see a list of your documents. Here, you need to select the specific document you wish to re-sign. If you're dealing with multiple documents, they are usually organized by date or relevance, making it easier for you to find what you're looking for. Click on the document you need and this will open a detailed view. In the next step, look for the Correct button. Clicking this is pivotal as it allows you to make necessary adjustments or corrections before re-signing. Should you find errors or need to update any details, you can do so here. It's important to review the document carefully to ensure everything is in order before finalizing your signature again. These steps are designed to ensure that the entire process of re-signing a document with Docusign is not just quick but also efficient. Remember to double check all changes made to the document during the correction phase to avoid any future hassles. By following these steps precisely, you can re-sign your documents confidently and efficiently through Docusign's user-friendly interface. Thank you for watching, and happy signing.